in a Funko rip. That's what we're doing. And so we've got our owner list. We're going to random this list 7 times and then random the character 7 times. All right, lucky number 7 right here. That's a lucky number 7. And now we're going to randomize the characters 7 times. That's right. It's pop culture icons. Darth Vader. Okay. Dr. Octopus. Donald Trump. Harry Potter. John Cena. 7 times through. And I have to tell you, man, a lot of times these come down to a random because there's so many pop culture different ones. Here we go, 5, 6, but we can hit a Leia. A lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. Gosh, I'm not getting any kind of vibe right now. I think it's going to be a Stone Cold Steve Austin. That's what I think it's going to be. Stone Cold Steve Austin comes out. Who's got Stone Cold? That's right. Stone Cold is my prediction. I don't even see where he is now. All kinds of big names in here. There he is. April B has Stone Cold. Let's see what happens. Good luck. Feel free to make a trade. It says, do not crush, bend, or fold. Well, this thing's sliced. It's like breaking all the rules here. Yeah, we are breaking the rules. The first Funko. I mean, should we pause here? Do we got a trade? Do we have a trade? I don't think anything's been revealed. Okay. Let's see what this Funko is. Let's see what it is. Good luck. What is our hit number 1 in the break? Hit number 1. Oh, it's a Comic-Con exclusive. Right away. Right away, everybody. We've hit a New York Comic-Con exclusive. Very rare Funko. Oh, my. Right off the get-go. Jane, I don't know this character that well. This is from the movie Twilight, everyone. I don't know her character that well. But let's see, Jane of the Guard. I think it's going to go to random, yeah. I believe so. And if you know the Twilight movie, you will recognize some of these characters. The Twilight Saga. Yeah, that's great. It's a New York Comic-Con exclusive, extremely rare Funko that comes out. That's up for grabs, everybody. What's the next hit? Oh, man. I really dig this genre. I see a G.I. Joe. That's Snake Eyes. Yeah, that's Snake Eyes, man. Ho! Oh, man. That's the first G.I. Joe one I've seen. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my goodness. Oh, oh, they got Storm Shadow, Cobra Commander, Roadblock. Oh, man. Yo, Joe. All right, so we have two randoms. We're going to start with a Snake Eyes random, and we're going to save the best for last with this rare New York Comic Con random. Let's do that right now. Good luck, everybody. We got a lot of boxes coming up about to happen. We've got good things going on around here. We've got two randoms occurring, and the first one is for the Snake Eyes. Boom, boom, boom. Me too, being. Here we go, 7 times. Winners at the top of the list. Some of these can be really rare and hard to find. And let's see, random number 2, 3. 6. Lucky number 7. Who's going to get the Snake Eyes? Well, that's Roger B. Roger B coming away with a G.I. Joe Legend Snake Eyes. That's right. I don't see his dog in here. His dog's name was Timber. Yeah, that is so cool. Way to go. Congratulations with your Snake Eyes Funko. Now we've got this one right here that is up for grabs too. And this one is available. We're sending this through 7 times to find out the owner of the rare New York Comic Con item. Way to go, Roger. And we're just going to random 7 more times. Winners at the top of the list. I'm going to list a few more of these, too. We can do several of these and run through this case. Here we go. 7 times further. Five, 6. Lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. You have picked up the rare Comic-Con Funko. Eric S., you're the owner of the rare Comic-Con Funko right here. Jane of the Voluntary Guard. Eric S. Nice. Yeah, you got the rare one. Some of those can have some nice values and everything. All right, so Prism's ripping. Origins of the 70s. Originals. And we've got more Funkos. Congratulations on your rare Comic-Con Funko. That was a nice hit to get. Still being? Gosh. You're right, I've not pulled you a Funko yet. It's crazy. Crazy.